Yeah, I'm over the moon. So how about you?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic. And today is weekend, so I'm perfectly fine and free also to have the conversation.
Yeah, I'm also because last 3 days I was my holiday. Actually, I had my holiday. So last 3 days and Friday actually holy purpose and Saturday my weekly off and Sunday also national holiday. So back to back 3 days I have get. So it's amazing for me.
Yeah, likewise. I had the long weekend, Friday till Sunday. Okay, so let's start with our short introduction so that I can know you better.
Yeah, yeah, of course. So it is high time to introduce myself. So this is Prosenjit actually in front of you, and I am also comes from West Bengal. And if I talk about my home city, I live in Krishnanagar city, which is oldest city, and it is very close to Calcutta. And if I talk about my education qualifications, I have done my graduation. After that I cracked my job. So I'm in service as a medical department, like pharmaceutical department. I have been worked since 2016. So I have a lot of experience in my medical department. So that's all about for me. Thank you.
Oh, great. So, how long have you been working in this field?
I have been worked since 2016, only 9 years.
9 years. Oh, you have lot of experience in this field. Okay, now it's my turn to give my introduction. So, my name is Tanuja and I'm from MP state and city name is Bhopal and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company and it's been more than 5 years that I'm working in this industry and in my free time I run a YouTube also just where I just upload this kind of English conversational videos and my hobbies I love to do drawing, dancing and traveling. That's all about me.
So thank you so much.
Okay, so you are working in medical field, right?
Yeah.
So I just want to ask one question. What is the best thing you have learned in your all whole 9 years?
Uh, yeah, actually, I have learned so many things. Like if I talk about marketing department, so I have learned lot of things in marketing department. And if I talk about science department, yani, science means anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology. It is not finished now, but it's ongoing process. So
Yes.
every day I learn from my management, and every day actually I read lot of actually like papers, lot of things actually, which is sending me my organizations like medicine purpose. Basically, you can say pharmacology things, sir. Okay. So and sometimes organization launch some medicines, so I have to know about these medicines, only medicines. So it's a actually ongoing process. So it's amazing. So and I have learned so many things because I have to deal lot of doctors. Actually, this is very belong to highly department in the
Yes.
world. Actually. So yeah, I deal every day. I visit lot of doctors, specialty doctors, DM cardiologists, DM endocrinologists, MD medicine, MD chest medicines, and MS surgeons. So I have gathered lot of experience during conversations. So yeah, I'm lucky. I'm lucky for mm, reaching this department. So yeah,
Yes. We actually learn a lot of things, and as you already mentioned that in your side you have learned a lot of things about medicine, and every day you are talking with a lot of people, lot of doctors as well. So it's a kind of learning process for us. So you have gained so much experience till now. It's the same like me. In IT field, you already know that every day new technology is coming. So we need to be updated with the time. Like now AI and this the kind of things are going on. So we are just learning and trying to learn how these things we can utilize in our work and in our day to day life as well. So we learn every day. So we can say it's a learning
Yeah,
process as well.
yeah, ma'am, absolutely right. Actually, you are from IT department, so you have lot of things actually. So lot of electronics matters maybe. So yeah, it's too much difficult, but yeah, it's an opportunity for you to learn something every day. So I
Yeah.
would like to know about your field more. Actually, what do you do basically in your department? What is the role of your organization? What is the main thing actually? Do you
Yeah.
feel? Which is do you play?
Yes, so basically I'm working in cyber security field. You must have heard about this. So
Yeah.
my role is like I'm a security consultant here. So everything that is related to a security stuff, like how we can secure our customers and clients and every users in their day-to-day life, like how we can secure our network, how we can secure our digital identities from the cyber attack. So this kind of things we are doing in our day-to-day responsibilities. And I think it's a good plat good field, to be honest, because we can say that now we are just moving in the digital era. So we are using all the things online, so we need some privacy and protection as well from the cyber attacks. Every day you will listen, even on the IVR call when we call to somebody, so they call us. We should be aware about the cyber crimes and these things because it is happening a lot these days. And if you are not really aware about these things, so definitely you will get into the trouble. It's everyone's responsibilities, to be honest, not only that we are the security engineers, so we are just working on those things. Like it's individuals responsibilities. So every day we listen, like if you are getting any kind of calls from the people and they are asking you for OTP and all and your password, so you shouldn't disclose these things. It's a confidential, like that. So it is all about the security stuff that I'm doing.
Okay, okay, I got it. I got it. That is great work actually, and it is too much needed coming days because we are absolutely reaching in a digital era, and it's coming days. It's so much needed for in these generations actually. Coming generations also will come.
Yeah, right.
So that is great. That is great.
Yes.
So, ma'am, actually, so uh, already you have discussed so many things in your field. So I would like to know another thing. So how did you enjoy your work actually
Okay,
every
so
day?
to be honest, I am enjoying my work because since childhood I wanted to become a IT engineer. So
Okay, okay, that's great.
yeah, yeah. When we were very young, so that time we had a lot of profession that we thought like we wanna become teacher, we wanna become
Mhm.
doctors and all. But when I grown up little bit, then I realized that yes, this would be the great field. Especially, I want to become an IT engineer because I had seen one of my cousin. He's working in IT company, so I got inspired from him that he's working outside, out of city, and is earning good money as well, and he's very professional. So I got inspired from him. So that time I decided, yes, I should continue these things. I want to become a software engineer, but that time I didn't know what engineers does and everything. I didn't know about it. But yeah, gradually by the time it happened, by the flow also. And after the 12th I got distracted also whether I should go for other studies or something else. But God has already planned for me, so I came in this
That's
direction
great.
only. And I'm enjoying my work, and especially during the COVID I got the work from home opportunity. So the
That's
good
great.
thing is that I'm with my family members. So that is the good thing, and I'm enjoying my work from my home. So yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So, ma'am, actually, have you just finished your graduations or for this department, IT department? Have you any extra course or have you any extra maybe like actually electronics course? Any?
No, actually, I have done my graduation from CSE background, computer
Okay.
science itself. And
Okay.
when I completed my graduation, so I had all the idea of computer related stuff only, like computer science. And so we learned a lot of languages that we had, like Java, C, C++. I guess you heard about this thing. And so we
Mhm.
learned that thing. And after that, I set for placement, like interviews. And
Mhm.
yeah, initially I got rejected in many interviews because of my communication skills. So, but yeah, fortunately, after so many failures, I got the good job in one of the MNC company. So that's why I'm here.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Actually, you also faces lot of interviews, lot of difficulties.
Yes.
After that, you just own the job. So yeah, great actually.
And now we just say like, yes, this is the job and we are doing it. But how much struggle I faced that time, so I know. How about you? Like, how was your process to come into this field?
Yeah, it's a coincidence. Actually, I have just graduation. But I have curiosity, lot of curiosity for medical department
Mm-hmm.
before. So during graduation, so when I have completed my graduations, so one maternal uncle, I have some experience in hospitality department. Okay, so during graduations. During graduation, I just preparing myself actually for from hospitality department because mm, my one another uncle is he has a hospital, so sometimes I just go there and I learn something from doctors or some administrative work. So just I have lot of curiosity, and I have seen a lot of medical representative to visit in clinic. So and he's lot of medicines. So that field actually that field I found out actually. After completing my graduation, my maternal uncle called me and he asking me, say, uh, do you actually mm, you have one opportunity for medical department. So if you interested, so you just you just preparing yourself. So I just replied, yeah, okay, I am very interested for this, and I just preparing myself 1 month. Okay, I read anatomy physiology, I read pharmacology. Yeah, actually uh, one of most important person. He is also pharmaceutical department, and he is also assistant professor in pharmacology department, pharmacology college actually, and he completed M from Nagpur University, and he researchers. So yeah, coincidentally, I just met you, and he learned lot of things during 1 month, and when I just I went for interview, and the interview rooms also the interview actually yeah, I went to interview the my first company, and uh, he was he was one of the most actually pharmacology head, PMT head, that company. So he also supported me, but uh, yeah, there are a lot of difficulties, but I have also confidence. I have I have energetic. I have confident. I have whatever question, whatever things are doing. So I just I just devoted 100% with those interviews. So yeah, I just successfully handle it, and yeah, I own the job actually. Lastly,
Okay, that's great journey actually. And I think everyone faces a lot of challenges while they need a first job, especially. So even I have heard so many people, especially who are a fresher, and when they want to, get at least one job, like first job, that is very like challenging thing
yeah,
for everyone. And lot of people suffer a lot, and most of them are unemployed because sometimes they are lacking of particular knowledge, or we can say, or someone who are not getting the good opportunity as well. So that time it is really challenging to get a first job. So I can
yeah,
totally resonate.
yeah. Just I also suggest suggest those who are really job seeker. So which is actually I experience it. No? So one thing, just first you have confidence in your own. You have confidence 100%, and I also confident. I also have confidence, and one thing just I share it confident, and yeah, during interview, before interview, I preparing myself a lot. I read a lot, and after cracking the job, back to back 15 days, I have training period. That
Mhm.
time just regular up down in Calcutta, from my home, and I wake up early in the morning. Then I just catch the train timely, and whole day I'm studying, and whole day I'm studying, and in the actually in the end of training period. So yeah, actually I'm the first of them actually. So it is a proud moment. It was a proud moment that time.
Yeah, I can totally relate. And yeah, you mentioned a correct point here. Like, if you have self confidence, so definitely you can crack the interview. Even I lacked these things that time when I was appearing first time for my interview. So I was not confident enough. Even I had a lot of technical skills. I knew already. I read everything, but still, because of lack of confidence, I was not able to present myself. So now I learned these things, like, yes, these things work in this way. So we need to be confident enough. Whether you are giving any question, any answers, but if you are confident enough, so your first thing they will see, interviewer will see your confident level. Like, yes, this person
Yes.
is confident enough. I think we can teach them and he can learn or she can learn, so we can hire them. But if you are not confident enough and you have the self doubt, so definitely we will reject. We will get the rejection at that interview.
Yeah, absolutely. You have first you have confidence, and you can focus. No? You can focus it. So what about interviewers consent? So it's a lot of things and actually have had. So yeah, you have actually focus. You have to focus on it carefully. And yeah,
Shall we wrap up this session?
yeah, absolutely. Another day, absolutely. I have to conversation with you.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for your
Because
time.
it was absolutely nice conversation with you. I'm really very happy for
Likewise.
conversation.
Yeah, likewise. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Most welcome. Yeah, same to you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.